What's going on, YouTube? Alright, it's a little cloudy, a little overcast out here today, but I'm fixing to do a quick ride to town, and we're gonna go to the motorcycle shop. I am today driving this beast. Yes, I know she needs to be washed really bad, but this is the first time I'm gonna have her on the road in over a year due to paperwork and such. So I do have a small issue with this bike. The steering feels a little off to me, so I am fixing to take it up here and see if he can tell me anything about what's going on with it and why. And hopefully we can come to a conclusion as to why the steering feels so off to me. Spraying a little non-scrub on the tires, make it look a little better. All right. Hopefully that don't make me slip and bust my ass. All right, let's see what kind of view y'all are gonna get. All right, hopefully it's a good one. We'll find out. I don't know how much fuel is in this thing. But hopefully the gas light's not on, so maybe it'll get me somewhere. That's what I'm talking about, guys. It's been a long time coming with this bike, and to be honest, I'm tired as hell and I want to go in here and go back to sleep. I'm up way before I'm usually up. I had some things I had to do, but this bike is going to quiet down, and I'm hoping that y'all will be able to hear a lot better on this motorcycle. So let's find out what we got. Since I had this beast out, a long while. Hopefully she still rides good. Go, China. Go back over there, baby. It's a cute little dog right there. See, the steering on this is just, I don't know, man. I don't like it. I don't like it. That's why I'm taking it to town, so he can check it out, man. I really need to find out what's going on with this steering. Yeah, she's still a good rider. She's a good rider. And she's quiet. You hear it sounds like it turns off when you hit that clutch. Y'all should be able to hear me a lot better on this video. You ain't got that pop all in your ear. That's third gear, just as smooth as could be. And it's cold. Might want to go back and get me a hoodie right quick, man. Yeah, let me do that just in case it rains, man, because I don't want to be frozen. I might have one in my shop. little bit warmer, man. There's my little graveyard of SUVs over here, which they all run, but it still looks like a graveyard. All right. Oh, don't mess up my camera. Oh, I got so much stuff in here, y'all. Oh, man. I didn't mean to do that. Great. Let me see what my camera's doing. I think it done got... Sorry, guys. See? That quick, you can ruin a video. Do I got one in her car? And I got hoodies for days, man. Just gotta find one to throw on. All right, yeah, it's still a pretty good view. I gotta find me a hoodie.
It's chilly, ain't it?
Yeah. I don't want to get caught in the rain with nothing.
Oh, look. Be careful, because it's supposed to rain 4 to 8 inches with that hurricane here.
All right. I'm just trying to run to town and back. Look, I got my four-wheelers blocking everything. I pulled this up here because I got to do an oil change on her. There's a hoodie. My shop, we're going to do some videos in here. I got a lot of stuff I got to do in here. Whole lot. That doesn't stink too bad. All right, y'all. Try to control my breathing so I'm not huffing and puffing in the camera. Unfortunately, I'm a bigger guy, and it just happens. Can't breathe. But it's all right. We'll get it figured out. Hopefully, y'all enjoy the video. I know I'm gonna try to enjoy this ride. I'm gonna put my jacket on. That I have to put a jacket on. I'm telling you that now, it's been so hot. Ridiculous. I just don't want to get caught out in the weather with nothing. So, if I lost y'all in this video, I'm sorry. Would please just fast forward and continue to watch. This bike needed a warm-up period anyway. All right, let's do this. Off to the motorcycle shop. I came out here this morning, my bike's on the ground. It's too heavy to pick up myself, so I'm waiting for some buddies to come over so I can get my Ninja up. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to use the come along. Just don't know what I'm gonna hook it to. It's such a heavy motorcycle. I guess I just didn't have it in a secure place. It sucks. Alright, let's do this, y'all. Big wide ass motorcycle. Come on. There we go. start this mug. Okay. All right. Attempt number 2.